Angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. What is coming next in your love, money, career, friends? Yes, this is a chance reading, friends. So, this reading is about this week, what will happen, and since this week we have a major eclipse and a full moon happening, friends, from the on the 5th of June, so a lot will be happening, and this reading you can use it for now till the next 6 months because the themes will resemble the same, more or less, because eclipses have that 6 month energy in it, so they have long term effects. So you can use it for this week, or what themes will be active. You can also watch the eclipse season blessings or changes coming in your life. I have done a separate pick a card reading. You can watch that also. Friends, please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot and like and share our channel. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading whenever they are posted. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. So let's take a deep breath and relax. Let's take a deep breath and relax and choose option 1, this beautiful owl. It's very cute. Option 2, this very smart cat. Option 3, this very beautiful and happy parrot. So relax, take your time and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section below, friends, so you can directly skip to the number you have chosen. Also, friends, you can choose more than one pile, and this is a charms reading, so don't forget to watch the charms, and don't forget to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, friends. I know many watch but don't subscribe. It breaks my heart apart, friends. We are working so hard in this lockdown quarantine, so give us a thumbs up. It keeps me motivated, it keeps me inspired. So for those who chose option number 1, this beautiful owl, let us see what this week will bring for you from the 31st of May to the 6th of June, and sun will be in the Gemini, and there is this eclipse happening on the full moon, lunar eclipse happening, and it is quite a big eclipse, and it will lead us into the eclipse season. So a lot is happening, friends. A lot is happening this week, and especially in this month. So we're gonna look at your romance angels messages at the end and your advice cards at the end. Let's see what are your messages. The Hanged Man, the 7 of Cups. Oh, the moon in reversed. Wow, the Hanged Man, the 5 of Swords in reverse, the Sun, the King of Swords, and the Page of Rods. Beautiful. Yin and Yang, 22. And happy family. This is beautiful, friends. This is a beautiful energy. I hope you can see all the cards. I feel this week is very important for you, because you are dealing or struggling to release something from your past. There has been a heartache, there has been someone who has stabbed you in the back, or who has been dishonest to you. Someone has done you wrong and you are struggling to get out of that situation, or you are struggling to forget that person or forgive that person. I definitely feel you could be dealing with a twin flame or some important relationship this week, or it is on your mind. It may not be active in your life, but it is active in your mind because you have the owl. So it is in your energy, this relationship or this hurt from the past. I definitely feel this week you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. Or you could be the sun signs Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I definitely feel, there is a lot of heart and mind energy for you this week. It is like your heart is saying one thing, your mind is saying the another thing, and you may feel drawn in two different directions. So you need to stay careful. You also may feel very scattered this week because we have the opposition, we have the full moon, you have the full moon here, you have the sun also here. So you have the sun and moon, but the moon is in reverse, so and there is an eclipse, so your emotions will be very very high. One day this week you may feel like you are very positive, life is great. The other day you will feel like, low, life is totally bad, I am never gonna recover, I'm never gonna get what I want. So it's like, it's a contrasting week for you, and one day you feel happy, the other day not. You may also feel slightly scattered this week, like you may feel like there is not enough choices in love, or you feel like whatever you have is not the right choice in love, in career. You may feel like, scattered, you have a lot of things on your mind, and that can make you feel scattered. I feel like, some of you want clarity this week. Clarity, something is stuck, some situation is stuck, and you are fed up of that situation because it neither resolves, it neither gets better, it neither goes away from your life or on from your mind, but it you are finding clarity in that situation. I feel it has to do with a love situation, a love relationship. There is a relationship which goes on and off, but it is like this person has hurted you, they have ghosted you, they have cheated on you, they have caused you heartache, but they keep coming back into your life, or you keep feeling about them, thinking about them. It is like, you both are twin flames, or opposites of opposites in some way, so you attract each other but you also repel each other. This person could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I also feel if you are very, if you are single, this person could be someone who has cheated on you, a friend or someone or a colleague. They could try to come back and apologize to you, or they may want to come back and talk to you, someone whom you dated or someone who has hurted you. But this is not a recent situation. This person has done something to you in the past, like 3-4 months back, maybe last year, but you may still not be sure of them, and they will also be scattered, like they will not give you a definite answer, and it will frustrate you. I also feel like if you are married, there will be some issues regarding your marriage. You may feel like, can you trust your person? Can you trust your husband or your wife? Is this relationship good? Your husband may not be, or your wife may not be sharing their emotions. They may be very logical this week, but you may feel very passionate, or they may feel passionate, but like it's like one of you is passionate, the other is very logical. So it's like a contrasting energy. You need to stay balanced. I feel this is going to be a good week for you if you focus on the positivity rather than the negativity. Some things will definitely pull you down this week, sorry to say. Some things will pull you down, friends, like, make you feel upset or sad, or like you do not have the power. But it will all resolve. Something will resolve, something will become clear to you this week. The main thing you need to do is stay balanced in your mind, heart, body, and soul. You need to stay balanced. It is very necessary, friends, for you to stay balanced. And even in relationships, your partner may not be feeling like your emotions may contrast each other, like they are happy, you are sad, or you want them but they are all over the place. So you need to stay balanced and in your emotions and your mind. Regarding work, I feel, in your career, I feel you are feeling like things are at a stop. Nothing is happening, things are pausing, there is no movement happening in your career right now, or no forward progress is happening. You may feel like, over anxious about your work this week because you have the full moon energy rightly affecting you. The eclipse is affecting you at your astrological point. I feel like this is affecting you, but I feel some new opportunities can come to you in your work or career. Like you may meet some new people, or new ideas are shared, or you can take some online courses which will open your mind, open your ideas. So you have options at your work, and you need to figure out the best option for you to take right now. It is not like you have no options right now. You do have options. If you stay positive and look closely, there are few options you can take in your career. In your education also, I feel like, you should not trust too much this week, because people may be hiding information from you, or something that was hidden from you may come to light. Like some person was telling you they are not interested in you, they were not studying. There is this energy of some hidden truths coming to light. Something is hidden from you, whether in love, or partnerships, or education, or career. It will be revealed to you this week. That is what I feel. If you are a student, I feel, you need to stay careful and not share your plans too much, because I feel someone is not honest in your surroundings. So you need to follow, you need to be like the owl, you need to watch people and keep quiet, not share your dreams or goals too much, because I do feel there are people who may cause, like, you may have some issues with friends, a fight or something, like they didn't tell you something, and something like that, something is happening behind your back, so that can cause you a problem if you are a student. I also feel there is this card of a happy family. I feel some of you could be meeting with a partner. If you are really, really single, you could be meeting someone from your past, returning back, offering you an apology, or some situation which was stuck from a very, very long time. That is going to move forward, and you are going to get this rainbow, this happy joy, happy family. I think some of you are single for a very long time, and you are asking when you will get married. I think the clarity will come to you this week, or that clarity, like what you need to do, that clarity will come. Or you may meet your twin flame or your soulmate ahead, but you will get the clarity, like how you can meet them, what you need to do. We'll see with the charms also, not to worry. Let's see your advice cards, because I also feel family will be very important to you this week. Like, what is family? Who do you call? Like, if you have children, you want to protect them, you might feel anxious about them. If you are single, you want to have a family. If you are like already in a relationship, talks of marriage are important, or like what is the future of this connection? All those things are important. You have a lot on your mind this week. So stay calm, stay balanced, stay patient. Let's see your advice cards. Explore your options. It is time to look at other possibilities. It is a good time to make changes. See, you are not stuck. You may feel like you are stuck, there are no options, but that's not true. You actually have options. See, angels if themselves are saying explore your options. You may need to go deeper, or like wider, to find those options. I do not think the options you are looking are right in front of you this week, because you have the owl. So you might have to study more, or you might have to know a person little more, so you can find out what is the problem. Or you might even at work, you might have to like explore some options, learn some new things, and then you are going to see, okay, this is how I can make my work better, this is how I can attract more money. Those things. Clarity is there, but you need to explore your options and keep exploring them. Let's see your eclipse message. What will the eclipse? You should watch the pick a card reading I have done. What changes this eclipse will bring for you? You can watch that. It is a separate reading. I will try to link it in the comments or in the description, so friends, you can watch it. Otherwise, it will be in the cards. Like, it may be showing somewhere on this video. Meditate and contemplate. New moon in Pisces. Emotions are very high this week, friends, and this is the perfect time for you. This week is perfect for meditation and contemplation. I think some of you need to meditate regarding a relationship, why you can't forget a person, why they keep coming back to you, or why you keep going back. For others, I think you should meditate on your future life goals. So I think meditation is perfect for you. And we have this eclipse. See, you can see this. It is new moon, but it reminds me of the eclipse, this black thing here. Let's see your romance angels messages. Separation, time apart from your partner is on the horizon. You definitely feel like you are away from someone, you are missing someone, or someone, some lover, some friend, some past lover, soulmate. You can be away from your husband or wife, like emotionally there is some distance. So you really miss them. You miss that, mushy, mushy romance this week. That's what you want. Mushy romance. Oh my God. Let's see, maybe the charms will tell us if it's coming or not. This mushy romance, option number one. How this week will be for option number one. Wow. So you do have the bell. So some messages are coming towards you. Definitely. I think someone is missing you. Someone you had a separation with. Someone who is not in touch with you. It could be a friend. It could be a lover. Someone you dated some years back. Twin flame, soulmate. Anybody. It could be a ex-husband or wife. They could also be missing you and thinking about you. Definitely messages. I also feel some new job message. It's not like a new job is coming, but like some news is coming. Like maybe you are waiting for a news, like when will you get the exam result. You will know that the news is coming, like so and so date you will have your exam, or you will have your results out on this date. Wow, didn't forget to save. I didn't forget to save. I think someone is really, either you are trying to save a little money this week, or someone is really saving you, for like someone is not acting on you right now, a relationship. Someone is not telling you how they feel, because they feel they can tell you something ahead, like when the time is right, someone will explain, share their feelings. Don't forget to save. What are the alphabets? Wow, see, the X card is here. So definitely someone is missing you, and someone has saved your pictures, your memories, or you are missing someone and you have saved their pictures, memories, songs, and they will be coming towards it. Like, yeah, I want to, they are missing you, thinking about you. X, so definitely someone from the past is important this week. And we have the letters NATO, NATO. That may also be important. Can you make any words from it? I don't know if you can. Maybe tan. So someone who is, darker in complexion, or maybe has darker hairs is important, man or a woman. Taken, it could also be like if we had a K, it can form a taken word, or so maybe you want someone to marry you or something like that. Uh, there is that thing, like marriage is important because you have this card, family. You want to marry someone, even if you are single. You want to be like in a relationship, happy with someone. And wow, there is number 22. And look at this. There is also again number 22. I can't do this thing, like only angels can and synchronicity can. So definitely angel number 22 is important to you. I also feel like if you feel very worried this week, you may see a lot of 222, 111. So that is a sign that angels are with you. Someone has a lot of love and affection for you, and you may be missing that person, but there is still a lot of love from within this connection. Someone is definitely attached. I feel you are also attached on some situation. It could be a goal also, like a career, like I want that car, I want that house, I want that dream job. It's like you want it, but it's not happening right now. But I feel it will happen. You are on the right path. Canada is important for some of you. We have Canada, we have mother. So definitely some of you could be missing your mother if you are not with your mom, or parents. Like if you are physically away from them, you could be missing them. Or you, if you are married, you could want to become a, you could want to expand. You want to expand your family, so you are missing out on that. Or you are missing your children if you are already married and have kids. Maybe some of your kids live in Canada or US or UK and you are alone right now, so you could be missing your kids. This week, luck will be yours. So, because you do have the sun, so if you stay positive, a lot of luck will become your way. 10 of Wands, something has ended, something has ended. The Knight of Air, the King of Swords, King of Air is here. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. And Asia is also, I told you, Asia is important. Like you are here, someone is in some other country, city. So that person is missing you. You both could be in Asia, missing each other, away from each other. Lover, I definitely feel someone is very attached to you, even if they do not show that they are attached, or they like you, or they love you, or they miss you. They still do, because don't forget to save. It's like save the date, you have seen on marriage cards, save the date, our wedding date. So maybe some of you have wedding anniversaries, or some of you had some important anniversary of love coming this week. Red is also an important color for you. 8 of coins. I would suggest you to keep working hard and stay focused on your job or career, or on hard work this week. Because 4 of cups, you could be focused too much on emotions. What is missing, you can focus too much on what's not in your life right now, rather than what is in your life. So do not do that. You have a lot of blessings, you have a happy family, you have a lot of, explore your options, new people, or some options coming towards you. But you may be missing out on things which are not there for you, like an ex-person, a friendship, a lover, or whatever. If something is missing from your life, you want that this week. And you may cry for it. It's like, I want it. It's like, it's my favorite toy. I want it. So I think you will have it in the coming season. Let's see, will your dreams come true? Whatever you want, will you have that come true? What is it pile number one? Will they get it? For whatever pile one number one wants, will their wish come true, angels? So we got another O, so letter O. I think yes, it is like coming to a full circle. Ace of Wands, definitely. And yes, 9 of Cups. So definitely, friends, your wishes are going to come true. See, Ace of Wands and 9 of Cups, whatever you are missing, or crying for, in some new way or the same way, you are going to get it. So don't worry, friends, don't worry. That's it for now. Please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Wands Tarot. Friends, please do subscribe, click the bell icon, and let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwandstarot.com. Friends, please, if you like to donate to our channels, if the readings resonate with you, you can donate also to our channel, friends. I really appreciate some of you donated to me. Thank you so much. It is very helpful, especially in our tough times right now, and we had been working so hard. So thank you for that. And join us on Instagram as Magic Wands Tarot. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now. So for those who chose option number 2, let's see. For those who chose option number 2, this beautiful cat, how this week will be for you in love, money, career, and these are your advice cards. We are going to look at them at the end, and let's see your cards. I'll also be pulling the charms. So this week is quite important, friends, because we have a lunar eclipse on the 5th of full moon. We have a lunar eclipse. It will be starting the eclipse season, so you should watch out. The pick a card reading I have done for the eclipse season, I will try to link it below so you can watch that. What changes, what blessings this eclipse season will bring to you. It's a detailed reading, especially about which area eclipses will affect for you. Wow, the Six of Wands, the Death, ooh. The Nine of Wands, very nice. The Tower, oh my god. The Three of Wands, the Two of Swords, and the Magician, very nice. And financial constraints, number 13, and women holding a coin, number 42, very interesting. I feel, friends, this is an important week for you because, some major changes are going to happen this week for you, friends. I would say you have to stay careful this week because the sun is in opposition with the moon, and the planets are all in the retrograde, so big things, big changes, big shuffling can happen in your life. I definitely feel a massive change is coming, something that was not working in your life, whether it is like a past relationship. I think if you were having a lack of money, that is going to change for you. Something that was not working in your life or was toxic for you, that is going to be taken, that is going to be healed this week. That is going to be healed. I do feel some sudden changes may come. I would like to take a clarifier here for why the Tower is here. Just a second. Angels, what is the Tower for? For pile number 2, what is the Tower movement? In which area the Tower will happen? Wow, you definitely are trying to manifest something, and that is exactly like, because you have the Magician, something you are working on, and it will come to you. It will happen for you this week, or maybe in the coming weeks for you. What is the death about? What is I feel you are transforming. You as a person are going to change this week or in the coming weeks. I think spiritually you are going to align, you are going to grow more. Something will change, maybe a belief, maybe some sort of a lack. What is that about? Wow, see, you are going to leave anything that is stopping you right now. I think there are people or friendships or career. I mean, there is something which is keeping you stuck, which is not letting you move on. Maybe you yourself are holding yourself back, like you can't do this, you can't do this. I think you are going to cut toxic people away, toxic situations, people, or any belief, like, any belief that you can't do this thing, that is going to change. You are going to empower yourself. If you are not doing it, this week will do it for you. I feel you should not rush this process because things have already started to change for you, for the good, for the positive side. Positive changes are already starting in your life, and I think by the end of this month you may see something which you are waiting for. So you should wait for now and not rush through anything this week. I also feel like major changes are coming and clarity is coming. You are confused regarding something this week, or maybe like your life path or a love situation. You are confused whether you should stay in a relationship or move out. If you are married, you are confused, should you stay in a marriage or move out? What should you continue? Even in a job, it's like, should you, or also I feel like, should you change your city, should you change your home? I feel some of you could be changing your home in the coming few months, but it's not the right time to do it now. But it is the time to plan and to figure out. This week, you will find the dreams and the solution. Like, yeah, I want to change my house, I want to change or move to a better city, and you are going to plan for it, but the actual movement will happen later on. I also feel If there is something toxic in your life, if addictions or health issues are affecting you, that will be healed, friends, that will be healed. I also feel that in your relationship some sort of an ending or shift can happen. It may be suddenly in come happening in your relationships. If you are in a toxic partnership, you may just completely walk out of it like, yeah, I'm ready. You may turn your back, you may turn your back on it like, no, I don't want it, I am ready, bye bye. And I also feel for some of you, you are trying to manifest a new partner or a better and equal relationship. You are trying to manifest something, and it will happen. It's already happening for you. Do not doubt it, friends. Do not doubt it. I feel like you are doubting whether your manifestations are working or not. This week you will see a sign, but the actual result will happen by the end of this month. But this week some major signs will come. Yes, your manifestations are working and you will get a sign, or like a shift will happen in your body, in your life, in your love life, in your career. I feel that is going to happen, friends. It is a very, very powerful week. You have three major arcanas. It's powerful. Forward momentum is going to happen. If you are single, I think you had been settling for less, people who are not right for you. You are just going to move ahead. You will not even look for them. You will not even want to deal with them. You are like, bye bye, done, done and gone. You are like, I'm done. I don't even know who you are now. It's like you are changing. You are changing. This is a big week. If you are in a relationship, something's rocky, some sort of a, I can't even talk right now. I think that's how it will be this week. It's gonna surprise you. It's gonna shock you. It's gonna surprise you, both in positive and negative ways. Sorry to say, but I have to say it. I think someone from your past may try to come back and apologize, but I think you are done. You will not believe this person. You are like, I'm done. I know the games you play. I'm done with you, baby, and it's bye now. It's bye. Go. It's like that. It's like you do not even think twice. It's on the go. You are like in the Six of Wands. You know what you want, you are going for it. No settling down. In your marriage, also, some sort of a argument may happen, so you need to stay careful because both of you can take some very strong decisions in the movement or in the heat of the movement. So try and stay careful, not too much into, especially if you are married. I would not suggest you to take very quick actions or decisions. Wait for clarity to come to you. I also feel like some of you like if you are single, do not give up. Do not give up, friends. You are very close to achieving a dream relationship or a marriage, and you are very close. You are very, very close. And some of you could be dealing with diverse issues or some cases or health issues that will be resolved. That will be resolved. Positive news is coming. In your career, I feel some of you could leave an old job, or some of you could find some progress in your job. Like, yeah, you something was not working out in your job or career, something was not making you happy, but you will finally free yourself and move ahead, and that will be very nice. I feel you are very focused on your work this week, on your money and on your career goals. You are like, I am not going to settle, and that's a good thing to do. I feel some of you are missing money, because you have the financial constraints. So you want more money, you want more abundance to come your way. You may be manifesting it. Yes, you are on the right path. It will happen. Just give it some time. Just give it some time. You are on the right path. If you are a student, I feel like you may be slightly confused of what to study, what not to study. I also feel you may have a fight or an argument with a friend or a teacher or a parent, so you need to stay careful. Some of you, if you are in same-sex relationships, or some of you, I don't know why, but some of you could be dealing with sexuality issues. Like, what is happening? There is some sort of a crumbling some belief that you have may crumble. I don't know where it comes from, but it is how I feel. Like you have some beliefs which are not working for you, but it will be resolved. There are, like, maybe people are not supporting you. If you are very young, if you are a student, maybe people are not understanding you. Maybe you yourself are not understanding yourself, your career path, your life choices. I think it is going to become easier after this week. Things will clear, and the clarity you need will come. And I feel you will have to distance yourself in some way from people who do not understand you, especially if you are young, or even no matter what your age is. I feel there are people who may not understand you this week. So maintain some distance and be strong, be bold, and like, yeah, I know what I want and I will go for it. Not like in a bad way, but like in a way that's, yeah, I can assert myself, I can support myself in that way. Again, I feel women holding a coin, number 42. I feel there is someone who will support you financially or in your career, or will show you your life path. It could be a mother, a family member, a female friend, or someone, a mentor, a teacher, that can help you this week. I also feel some of you are going to become mentors, teachers in your life ahead. So, this is the phase of learning for you. So, take this time to learn. Take this time to learn. If you are single, I feel, and in relationships, I feel an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Don't focus too much on money issues. I feel money is coming. Some belief needs to change regarding money. Like, yes, I can be a billionaire, I can be a millionaire. You have to assert, yes, it can happen for me, it is happening for me, that thing. Let's see your advice cards, and then we are going to look at the charms. What is the advice for you for this week? Tranquility, make time to relax, be still, enjoy your solitude. So definitely this week, take some time to relax, enjoy, because big changes are happening and it may tire you out. So like a kitty, when things are, have you seen cats? When they have a big meal, they just go to sleep. It's like, the digestion, the stomach will do the digestion. I'm gonna sleep like a queen. So you should also do that. Big changes are happening, but it's like, I'm gonna go sleep like a king or a queen, and I don't care whatever is happening. I have my peace. So focus on that. Focus on self love this week. Focus on yourself. There is a lot of big changes happening. It can scare you, it can frighten you, but if you focus on yourself, it is all to bring you some great blessings, some great perfect romance or money in your life. Let's see the eclipse message. Nothing is yet set in stone, mutable moon. Definitely, I feel, this week is like that. Big things will happen, some changes will happen. You may feel like, oh, I have lost all my hope, but no, it's not the end. It's not the end. Hope is there. Things are going to shift again. That's how life is. It's like this ebb and flow. Things change, things constantly change. So nothing is yet set in a stone. And what a beautiful line that is. Anything can happen, anything can happen. That's what is you should remember. If this can happen, if something can end, the very next day something can begin. And that is what you need to remember. Let's see your romance angels message. Express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. I definitely feel someone is coming to offer you love and peace and apology, I feel. But you may have trouble trusting that person, because you feel that person has shaken you, they have broken your trust. So I feel like, you will have some trouble trusting that person. Also, I feel if you are a man, some of you could be going to express or propose a girl, and that, or a person in your life, and that I feel will be quite nice. Let's see your charms so we know what more is happening for you this week. For those who chose option number 2, how this week will be for those who chose option number 2. Wow, lots of charms came out. See, Wow, see, this is the first thing I'm seeing. The wind of change. Change is in the air for you. You just cannot stop it, friends. Changes are coming, and I think good thing is that nothing is yet set in the stone. And you know what I mean. Some things may seem like they are not your what you want, but it is actually what you really want. It is going to bring you what you want and desire. So GEVHP. Wow, lots of letters are here. Wow, 2V. That's interesting. So there is a P, there is a E, there is a G, there is a V, there is an H. So these are the alphabets, letters. They may be in your name or your surname or your person's name and surname. I feel this plate is about you. Focus on your plate, not on what others have or what is going in their life. Do not get affected by other people. Focus on your tranquility. Focus on your peace. I also feel there is this kitty charm. Oh my god, look at this. You have the kitty charm and you have the cat here also. Oh my god, this is beautiful, friends. Definitely, Divine Spirit is with you. You have nothing to worry about. You are safe in all these transitions, changes happening. I feel some of you want a car, a big goal, lots of money. You want to be very rich or have a big home or something. It is going to happen for you, friends. You are on the right path. Don't worry. Apple, I feel some health issues are going to be resolved. If you are struggling with health or maintaining good health or toxic, addictions are affecting your life, it is going to heal. It is going to heal either now or in the coming days. There are two houses. I definitely feel you want to be very rich. You want to own lot of house, land, money. I think some of you could be turning into farmers, organic farming, or those areas, some new areas. If you are a student, you may start into housing, rentals, all those things. You are going into new areas, you are exploring them. Also, I feel some of your neighbors or someone living in your city could be important, or someone could be visiting your city, that might be important. Flower, I definitely feel someone is going to offer you, express you their love, and they might offer you a gift or like a song or something. They might dedicate you a song. I did a pick a card reading on dedicating a song for you from your lover. You can watch that. Wow, you have the commitment ring here. So, wedding is important, marriage is important, commitment is important this week. You have the mushroom also. Passions are very high. Someone is very passionate about you, and this also speaks about this magician. You can manifest whatever you want. There is no limit. You are on the right path, go for it. The winds of change are happening. This reminds me of New Zealand. So maybe someone from Australia, New Zealand, or Holland, all those places are important to you. We have the music charm. I would say listen to more music to feel happy this week. And we have faith. Keep your faith. Nothing is yet set in stone. Keep your faith. Things are changing. Green is an important color. You already have two green here, two green houses. Green is important. Ace of Cups, someone is going to offer you a new beginning in love. It could be self-love also, you feeling a lot of self-love for yourself. Ten of Wands, tough situations are bye bye. You are no longer in there. Tough situations, struggles, karmic. Definitely a karmic situation is over and some sort of a reward will come. And I think the reward is you feeling very stable, secure. January is important for you. Maybe this year's January or the last year or the coming January. Queen of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. And the Nine of Cups, yes, your wishes are going to come true. You just need to wait a little. Do not rush into action right now. Bid your time. So, yeah, this is the thing. And Dark Horse, I feel you should keep yourself away from people or any drama this week. So, some drama can happen. So, do you like I'm the Dark Horse? I don't even know what's happening around me. I'm like, yeah, you know. I hope you get my point, because you also have the white horse. Look at that. Now that's interesting. You have the white horse. So I think some of you could be doing a work, or in your love life, in your career, you are in the highlight, in the limelight, or everyone wants you, everyone wants something from you, so it may drain your energy, drama can happen. So you are like, I'm the black horse, and now nobody can find me. You are focusing on your peace, you are focusing on music, art, creativity, your life goals, and all those things. And I think someone is going to offer you this commitment and expressions of love. I feel some karmic situation will resolve and something beautiful will happen, either now or in the coming months. So please, that's it for now. Do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, friends. Do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot. Like and share. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, please visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. And if you want to join us on Instagram, then please do so as Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye. So for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful parrot, let's see how this week will be for you. Parrot. Wow, this is so cute. I feel like, you guys are very talkative, or you want to talk a lot this week, or someone wants to talk a lot to you. This is like, parrots are so cute, no? Isn't it? These are your extra messages for advice and eclipses. You can watch out the eclipse pick a card reading I have done, friends. It is a detailed reading for the eclipse season for the whole month of June. We start with an eclipse in this week on the 5th of full moon, and the sun will be in Gemini. Happy birthday, Geminis. And it is in opposition with this eclipse, so a lot is happening. Let's see, the devil, ooh. Oh my god, the 3 of Swords, big things. 4 of Wands, 8 of Wands in reversed, and the 4 of Swords, very nice. 4, Justice, the Queen of Swords, the door to value, 31, 444, number 44, woman holding a heart. Oh my god, I feel someone is gossiping about you, someone is talking about you, or you are talking. Someone is stalking you, friends. Someone is definitely stalking you. No wonder you chose the parrot. Either you are stalking someone, or someone is stalking you. I feel there is a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person that is important to you this week, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. Oh my god, someone has hurted you, friends. Someone has hurted you. They have done you wrong, and they have kept you waiting and waiting and waiting. Maybe this person put you in a third party, or maybe they didn't choose you when there was time. They left you. I think, oh my god, I think there is a person who has a lot of love for you, or you have a lot of love for them, but like things are not working out. There is heartache in that person, in you. I also feel this was an injustice done to you. You are waiting for some sort of a justice to happen in a love situation or in your life. You are waiting for justice. You are like, when will this resolve? Why this happened with me? I didn't deserve it. Because you are coming as this queen or this king. You are beautiful, friends, our viewers. You are beautiful, you are proud, you are hardworking, you are independent, you are loyal, you are fair. I mean, like, you are trustworthy, you are fair, you are like kind to everybody. So what happened? You are like, why did this happen to me? I feel justice is going to happen. You want justice, you want communication. I feel there is a person, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person who is not talking to you. They are not communicating with you what they are feeling or how they feel about you. They have kept you waiting. But I feel this person wants to marry you, or there is a question about marriage, commitment, or an apology or something at least. I feel this person could be your twin flame, or you have a very, very, very strong connection with this person because they have the devils, you have the justice. It's just the opposite. I feel this person wants to marry you. This person will try to contact you this week, or they are on your mind, and you will also be thinking about this person, they will also be thinking about you, but your ultimate aim is this marriage, this happy family with anybody. With I don't know if you even want to see this person because you want justice from this person. You want, like, I want my justice. I don't want to see them, I don't want them in my life, but I want my justice to happen. I think it will happen for you. It's already happening. I think this person needs to apologize for some of you, and it will happen. Maybe this week, this person will be forced, some sort of an awakening will happen in this person's life. Maybe they will not communicate this week, but in the coming months of June, they might communicate towards you. So there is this healing happening. There is this healing of your heart to happen. If you are in a marriage or something, I feel you should take your time and do not get very. Some hurt may happen in your marriage if you are married with your in-laws, or if you are going through a divorce or something. Some sort. If you are going through a divorce, expect some resolution, expect something to go in your favor. If you are already happily married, you may expect some heartache to happen. Your partner may become upset, like they may do something, like, they may be too much of binge watching, too much lazy, too much work, or they are just like, like not listening to you, because this is the full moon in eclipse, friends, and it's in opposition with the sun, so it can trigger people to some extreme. So you need to stay balanced. Someone can become a workaholic, they are working all night, so you are like, they do not talk to me, what is going on? So you need to stay patient. If you are married or in a committed relationship, someone can hurt you because they are too obsessed on other things and too focused on other things in life. But you should stay patient because it can affect your, you should stay patient. You should focus on love and give each other space this week. For others who were hurt by someone, that person, I think that person will either try to say sorry, or like some sort of a forgiveness or justice will happen in that situation in this week or in the coming weeks. I feel regarding money, definitely you are very hardworking, pile number 3. You are working a lot, and you may feel like, you are working, but your justice, your rewards are not coming in. I feel it will happen. Your rewards are going to come in, and success will happen for you. You just need to keep working, but keep some time for yourself. I feel like you are working too much. You should focus on your communications, build your communication skills. Like, if in your career, you should focus on how to talk and uh, learn maybe new skills, so that you need to focus on rather than on money, progress, on not on all those things. You should focus on what you can build on right now: communications, knowledge. That is going to bring you this Four of Wands of energy, happiness. I think some of you could be starting to work from home because it you kind of like it, so you want to just now, like, always work from home because you enjoy it. I also feel some of you are waiting for something to happen in your job or career. It will happen because you have the door to value, you have the justice, so something is coming in for you. But I feel like still it may happen either in the coming weeks, but not now. I feel what will shift in this week will the results will happen, appear to you by next week. So this is the week when you should focus on working, healing this heartache, healing this uh, pain from past or any negative emotions. But keep working, stay focused. If you are a student, oh my god, friends, oh my God, if you are a student, you can become obsessed about one particular subject You may become obsessed about a person in your life, or you may become obsessed about, memes, watching pictures, binge watching, reading, or maybe someone has hurted you, but you may become like obsessed with that person, or you may find like, some attraction with someone who is not your age, someone who is elder than you or very younger than you, so you may become attracted towards them. So you need to stay patient, ground yourself, and not give in to temptations. I see some of you may not be working out this week, so I think you should work out your workout or get some fresh air, even if it's in your house only, do some sit ups or something like that. I feel women holding a heart. Someone loves you a lot. I feel you are very loving, file number 3. You are very loving, you are very nurturing, but someone has not returned that love to you. I think it is going to come back. Someone has hurted your heart, taken something from you. I think some of you, if, someone has stolen something from you, whether it is love, whether it is, you know, commitment, whether it is. It's like someone just took something from you, whether it is in career, love, education, and you are like now hurt. You are like, why this happened? It will be shown. That thing will come back, friends. That what was stolen from you will come back to you. It may happen next week, and in new ways it will come back, improved ways, not like in this bad way. Something will be, something will happen, something with which you are waiting for. It is like I don't think so. Angels want to even tell you right now what things are coming towards you. Healing is definitely going to happen. A happy home, a happy family, and definitely a lot of money coming ahead for you. New doors will be opening. But be careful of gossip. People might gossip about you, or some issue may happen. Addictions can happen. You need to stay balanced. Let's see this. Let's see your advice for the week. Blessed change, a major life change brings you great blessings. I told you some major blessings are coming your way, friends. This is interesting. So you may feel like, someone hurted you, something was lost, money is not coming, what's going on? So you may feel life is out of control. You may want to control life, but don't do it. Don't do it, friends. Everything is under control, and angels are with you. Number 444 is here. God is going to show you the way. Wait and watch, because you have this 4 of Swords. Wait and watch. Let's see your advice for the eclipse. Believe in the impossible, the blue moon. So yes, impossible things can happen for you. Things which you thought will never happen will happen for you, friends. Whatever it is, believe in the impossible. You will have it. You will have it. Whatever was stolen from you, it is coming back in renewed form or better form. Let's see your love message. Worth waiting for. Divine timing is affecting your love life. See, I know you want justice to happen. You want that love. You want that happy family. You deserve it completely. You are worthy of it, friends. Man or a woman, you deserve it. And you look at her eyes. She wants it. She knows it. She wants it. She knows what she wants, but it's like it's not, it's like the universe is not giving it to you. You want that marriage, you want that person, or you want that job, or you want that car, or that education, that seat, that job offer. It's not coming. You are focused, you are doing everything right. Then why it's not coming? Because divine timing, friends. Be patient. It is not going to take long. I know some of you are fed up of waiting, but I think 2020 is the year where patience is virtue. It is our biggest virtue. And believe in the impossible, friends. Believe in it. What may not have happened since long can happen in one day, so believe in it. Option number 3, how this week should be for option number 3. Oh my god, I dropped a charm. Wow, so you have the letters V, E. Wow, this is stuck in it. I don't know if I can get it out. So you have the letters B, E, V, L, and E. Level. It could be level. So you are like, yeah, something is leveling. some past injustice, some karma, good karma coming towards you, injustice being healed. If someone has hurted you, it will be healed. If something was stolen, it is coming back. I think money is also an issue, like you are worried about money. Where is my money? Where is my coin? Friends, it's coming towards you. I also feel this is the 50 pence, so UK or USA might be important to you. You are a queen. See, it is again the queen. You have the queen here. If you are a man, if you're a guy watching this, I feel you're attracting a queen in your life, and it may not happen this week, but in the coming weeks she will enter your life. But you need to stay focused, you need to believe in the impossible. If you are a woman, I think a king is coming into your life. That one will have this happy home and family with you, so you need to focus on that. There is a tea and teacup, so I feel coffee dates are important, tea dates are important. I also feel like, someone, a friend may have hurted you, so that might try to, offer you love or peace. I feel this leaf is about peace offerings. So friendships are important this week. And also take some mint tea, or some green tea to help you with this week. Number 44, again, see, 44, and again 44. Friends, angels are with you. You have nothing to worry about. Number 25 might be important for you. You also have number 28. They may be birth dates or something like that. You have the message in a bottle. I think some deep hurt will heal this week for you, or someone will share their deeper emotions with you. Some apology or some feelings will be shared with you. I feel someone is keeping things in dark. Someone is keeping things in dark, like they are not telling you how much they love you or how much they value you, even at your work. Like your boss is not favoring you, but that is going to shift. Again, there is this physician, this doctor's chart. So maybe you are dealing with you are a doctor, physician, health practitioner, or a nurse, or you want to go in those fields as a student. So yes, believe in the impossible, you can achieve it. Also, friends, it is like if you have any health issues, they will be healed. See, you have the cross. Oh my God, I have not seen this in a long, long time. This charm, I have entirely forgotten it even exists in my charm box. See, this is the charm. This is the Holy Cross, friends, and look at here. There is this, this cross is, this balance is also like a cross. Look at her hand. Wow, this is something fated, something holy is happening, and it is a blessed change for you. You may not even know how it will happen or how it will come out or manifest in your life, but trust, it is going to manifest. It is fated, friends. It is fated. I'm a I'm a stupid baby. I think someone has been behaving stupidly in your life. Maybe a lover, a husband, or an ex-husband or wife, or a friend, or a colleague, or someone has behaved stupidly and they are coming to fix it, or the universe will fix it for you. Faith. You have a very strong faith, friends. It's like you're amazing. Look at her eyes. Look at her eyes. Wow. You know what you want. It's going to happen, friends. You just need to stay patient. You are on the right path. Three of air. You have the three of air here. Thank you for confirming the charms, angels. Some sort of a hurt is going to be resolved, friends. Someone has deeply hurted you. 10 of air. Oh my God. It was not just hurt. It was like backstabbing you. It was like big cheating. Queen of cups. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces might be important to you. And again, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini is important to you. One of coins, a new start is coming, friends. And in love and in career, both I feel, because Ace of Coins is like this, this door to value. New doors are opening for you. You just need to follow what you are doing. You are doing everything right. You just need to sip your tea and relax, because like the impossible things are happening Changes are coming. Who is doing it for you? Angels are doing it for you. You just need to relax and manifest and keep going forward. This is a crazy week and a beautiful, powerful week for you. Look at this charm. Look at this charm. God, I can't pick it up. Look at this charm. This is the Holy Cross is with you, friends. So that's it for now. I wish you all a very happy week. Please do subscribe Magic Gwen's Tarot, like and share. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website www.magicgwenstarot.com and do join us on Instagram as Magic Gwen's Tarot. Friends, this is Mystic C saying bye for now.